Excuse me, ma'am.
बेटा
Ma'am, I don't know about binomial expansion.
बच्चे डोंट टेल मी दैट यू स्टडीड
No.
दिस क्या किया था तुमने एफएससी पढ़ी थी
Yes, ma'am.
एफएससी में मैथ्स पढ़ा था
No, ma'am. Bio.
अच्छा तुम बायो से हो तो तुमने एफसी में आके नहीं पढ़ा मैथ्स
मैम जो अभी तक कोर्सेज लिए उसमें कभी पढ़ा ही नहीं है अभी तक।
सीरियसली तुम्हें फिर यू शुड वर्क ऑन योर मैथ्स कोर्सेज रामीन ये तो बड़ी सिंपल सी चीज है बेटा आप यू सीरियसली नीड टू वर्क आउट कि आपको कौन कौन से मैथ्स कोर्सेज लेने चाहिए ठीक है
ओके मैम।
आप यू कैन डिस्कस दिस इन डिटेल आप अपने रोड मैप में इंक्लूड करें मैथ्स कोर्सेज दैट यू नीड आप इसमें कौन से सेमेस्टर में हो रामीन
मैम फोर्थ।
फोर्थ हाँ तो आपके पास टाइम है आप अभी से लेने शुरू करो मैथ्स के कोर्सेज फिगर आउट कौन कौन से कोर्सेज हैं ठीक है यू कैन डिस्कस विद योर कॉलीग्स यू कैन डिस्कस विद योर एडवाइजर यू कैन डिस्कस विद मी ठीक है एंड उस
ओके मैम।
सबसे डिस्कस करके देन यू अपना रोड मैप को दोबारा से अपडेट करो उसमें डालो मैथ्स के कोर्सेज ठीक है क्योंकि फिजिक्स में हम मैथ्स तो यूज करते हैं आपको पता है ना
यस मैम।
डरने घबराने वाली बात बिल्कुल नहीं है ठीक है इट्स जस्ट यू हैव टू फिगर आउट कि आपके लिए कौन से कोर्सेज आपके लिए जरूरी हैं और उसको सिस्टमेटिकली पढ़ो यू हैव द एडवांटेज इन दिस सिस्टम कि आप जिस भी लेवल पे हो ना आप अपना लेवल फिगर आउट करके देखो कि उस कहाँ से आपने शुरू करना है और कहाँ जाना है ठीक है so this is a very normal pathway to learning it's nothing about being scared or discouraged okay so जिंदगी में जो भी आपने सीखना है यू ऑलवेज फिगर आउट कि आप क्या सीखना चाहते हो और वहां पहुंचने के लिए आपको क्या चाहिए ठीक है समझ आ रही है ना रोड
यस
मैप किसको कहते हैं ना and you have
मैम।
every opportunity to access any course you like that's a good thing about this system you're not bound to follow any particular course plan तो आप बैठ के डिस्कस करके with your teachers with your colleagues with your peers तो फिर आप अपना रोड मैप अपडेट करके वो कोर्स लें ठीक है इसमें कोई भी इट्स नथिंग टू बी शाई अबाउट इट्स नथिंग टू बी डिस्करेज्ड अबाउट रादर इट्स गुड कि आपको पता चल गया इस वक्त कि आपको क्या चीज चाहिए ठीक है
ओके मैम।
हाँ these are tools that
थैंक यू।
you're most welcome मतलब we always need tools and we need to continue learning at every stage of our life ठीक है ना तो it's a good thing अगर आप figure out कर लेते हो कि आपको क्या चाहिए इस वक्त ठीक है
यस मैम।
okay that's great वैसे आप अब कौन कौन से पढ़ रही हो मैं कोर्सेज मैथ्स में
मैम 101 102 201 and 202 and I'm currently taking in fifth semester 203.
203 लेना है
Yes मैम।
हाँ तो अच्छी बात है आपने काफी कोर्सेज पढ़ लिए तो आई एम श्योर ये आपके लिए कोई मुश्किल बात नहीं है ठीक है
यस मैम।
तो लेकिन यू नीड टू सिट डाउन एंड डिस्कस योर रोड मैप एंड अपडेटेड कि क्या चीज मिसिंग है उसमें से वो डालो उसमें ठीक है
यस मैम।
गुड okay so are we reaching anywhere yes Asad were you able to correct your mistake दुर्दाना
Yes, ma'am.
हो गया तुम्हारा सही असद
Yes, ma'am, मेरा हो गया सही आपको मैं वर्किंग दिखाऊं
अच्छा चलो दैट्स ग्रेट नो यू कैन वॉक मी थ्रू सो दैट हम सब इकट्ठे कर लें ठीक है सो आई विल लाइक टू शेयर द व्हाट हम लोग कहाँ पे थे सो वी वर एट हम कहाँ पे पहुंचे थे लेट्स सी वी वर एट
Ma'am, we decided that E gamma is equal to MC square
हाँ मैं वो लिख लेती हूँ
multiplied by minus 1 into
अच्छा
plus 1.
चलो लेट्स स्टार्ट फ्रॉम हियर सो वी वर एट mp स्क्वायर into minus 1 plus minus 1 plus 2 delta E over mc square into raised to half and this was 10.3 ठीक है ना यहाँ इसके बाद we were talking कि हमने क्या करना है and the end result we wanted to achieve was let's see we wanted to achieve E gamma is equal to delta E minus delta E squared over 2mc squared. ठीक है? Okay, yes, Asad, can you walk us through this?
Yes, ma'am. So at first हम लोग जो है ये अपने स्क्वायर रूट वाली टर्म के ऊपर बायनोमियल एक्सपेंशन लगाएंगे.
Let's speak it
और
ताकि if somebody wants to follow this, they can. चलो, yes.
Yes, ma'am. Using that, we will write.
Okay, let's do slow so that we can all follow, right? So we are going to use the binomial expansion, okay?
Yes, ma'am. We will use the binomial expansion on the term square root of
Asad, hold on,
1 plus 2
it's my
delta
job
MC.
to explain this, okay? Because I want everyone to be on board, okay? Tika, I know that some of you are already familiar, but if anyone needs to do a small recap, we can just write the binomial expansion here, okay? So the general expression for the binomial expansion is something like this, right? Okay, Asad, it's fine. I mean to encourage you. The only thing is I also want others to follow. Okay? So if we go very fast, we might not be able to take everyone on board. Is that clear?
Yes, ma'am.
So this over 3 factorial and plus dig, 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 dig. Do we all understand this expression?
Yes, ma'am.
अच्छा. And Ramin, आपको factorial का पता है? आपको इस साइन का पता है? Do you know this? Okay, Ramin से जवाब ही नहीं आ रहा. Okay, right. So we proceed. So अच्छा यहाँ से we are going to use this, and in order to use this, let's see, let's try to write it. It's a long expression actually. So let's write it on this side. We can say 1 plus 2 delta E over mc squared raised to half is equal to 1 plus half plus 2 delta E over mc squared plus half into half minus 1 and 2 delta E over mc squared whole squared plus so on. Yes, Asad. What will we do next?
Yes, ma'am. So after that, हम लोग आगे वाली जो हमारी terms हैं हम उनको neglect कर देंगे.
Yes, good. Okay, hold on there. So neglecting higher terms. So this will be equal to plus so on, right? So is that right? ठीक जा रहा है ना? Are we going fine? Asad?
Yes, ma'am.
Is this correct? Okay, so what's the next step now? इसको छोड़ दो, ये this was the answer. अभी हमने यहाँ पहुंचना है. So from here, where do we go from here? Asad? असद का लगता है फिर कनेक्शन इज अ प्रॉब्लम. Okay, let's see. Asad, hello. He's connecting again, okay? He's trying to connect. Meanwhile, are you all following? Eman, are you following? समझ आ रही है?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good. एमन की आवाज आई, एमन बोली है.
Yes, ma'am. वो मैंने हंसी चीज की पता चल रही है.
Okay. Now your mic is working?
Yeah, ma'am,
Yes.
sorry, connection dropped.
Okay, that's fine. So where do we go from there? From this expression that we've written?
Ma'am, we will plug this value into our parent equation that was 10.3.
Yes, very good. So from here,
And we
a
would
moment,
convert MC squared. Oh, sorry.
Asad, let me write this, okay? So from here, we are going to plug this into this equation, okay? ठीक है?
Ma'am, I'm a little confused. One
Yes,
thing.
Eman.
मैम तो ऊपर आपने जब वो बाइनोमियल एक्सप्रेशन लगाया है तो
हाँ.
उसमें जो 1 प्लस 1/2 है उसके आगे जो प्लस है वो प्लस क्यों आया है? उसको मल्टीप्लाई
Can you please repeट again?
जो आपने बाइनोमियल एक्सप्रेशन खोला है तो उसमें 1 है 1 प्लस 1/2 प्लस आ गया है उसके आगे प्लस क्यों है?
अच्छा, ठीक है. So Asad, do you want to answer this?
Ma'am, I was not able to hear this properly because of the static in her voice.
Eman's question is, why did we write 1/2 here?
No,
No, Eman,
1/2 की समझ आ गई
उसके आगे क्या?
प्लस क्यों है?
प्लस
अगली
क्यों?
वाली टर्म के बीच में प्लस. यस,
कौन सी वाली टर्म?
ये जो अगली वाली इसकी टर्म है उसके पीछे प्लस है ना, बीच में प्लस है इन दोनों के बीच में.
ये वाला प्लस?
यस मैम.
Okay, Asad, did you hear the question this time? Asad? हाँ, ठीक कह रही है. एमन आज हमारी गलतियां निकाल रही है. That's good. Asad, did you understand what Eman said? Hello, Asad. Asad भी का भी connection आज खराब हो रहा है. Eman, you have a point, and I'm happy to hear that. And let's ask Asad to correct it for us. लेकिन असद को वो connection अच्छा नहीं है आज. Asad, hello. Wow. Okay.
I'm sorry, ma'am, my connection keeps on
Yes,
dropping. I don't know
Asad,
what
I
is
know
happening.
this is a problem. Where are you?
Ma'am, I'm in Lahore and I have the fastest 4G connection. I don't know
You
what
have
has
to
happened
make
to it today.
you have to make a complaint to them. You know, when we are trying to make you a star, you disappear.
Yes, ma'am, like this is my fastest internet connection and I don't know why is it betraying me today.
Okay, right. So maybe you tell him that you're not going to pay this month, right? Okay. So Asad, did you hear?
Yes.
Yeah, you should try to talk to him. So did you hear what Eman was saying? Eman is good at pointing out our mistakes, and that's great. We should have that as well. So did you hear what she was saying?
No, ma'am, unfortunately not.
Okay, Eman, can you please repeat what you said? Let me say it for her.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, bolo.
वो जब बाइनोमियल एक्सप्रेशन खोला है तो उसमें 1 प्लस 1/2 के आगे जो प्लस है वो क्यों है?
हाँ, yes. Did you understand that, Asad? Asad?
I still cannot hear her because of the
Okay,
static.
you can hear me, right? She
Yes,
said,
ma'am, I can hear you.
yes, she said we should not have this plus sign. Is this right or is this wrong? Did you have a plus sign here? Can somebody else address this? Asad?
Ma'am, that is
Yes, who's speaking? Yes, Durdana.
E over MC square. Hello?
Yes.
I don't understand why there should not be a plus sign here.
No, Asad,
There
I
should be one.
understand. I understand. This should not be a plus. It should be a multiplication. Do you all get it now?
Yes, ma'am.
समझ आ रही है असद? This should be a multiplication. है ना, Asad? This should be like this. अब सही है असद? Do you agree?
Yes, ma'am, अब सही लग रहा है.
अब सही हो गया ना?
Yes.
Okay. Asad, are you okay?
Oh, now I understand.
You understand, right? Okay. Thank you, Eman. Thank you again. And you get a point for pointing out the mistake. Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, good. So now we all understand and we all agree to what we are doing. So the next step is we're going to plug in this value into the equation number 10.3 that we have. So let's make space for that. And let's erase this expression here. And there we have it. So let's go here and start writing this. So what's the next step? What should we write now? We should substitute it, and substituting in equation 10.3, we get the final expression. Ji, Asad, ab aap likhwa do, you can help us with this. When we substitute this, what do we get?
Yes, when substituting this into this equation gives us MC square,
Yeah, MC.
negative of MC square,
Okay, and
to be
then?
more precise.
And then? Inside we have?
Yeah, and after that, we directly substitute this value into it and multiply MC square through.
Let's see. Okay.
Then let me.
Okay, so this is what we get. Is this right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good. So and if we cancel -1 and +1, we get E gamma is equal to delta E minus delta E squared over 2mc squared, and this is equation 10.4 that we wanted to achieve. So therefore we can say that delta E is approximately equal to, this is also approximate, and this is also approximately equal to E gamma generally. So this is the final expression that we have. So is this okay now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good. So here we can now, we have done the energetics of gamma decay in detail, and you can also read the further physical explanation from the book. Okay? ठीक है?
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, I think I
Ma'am,
have to work on it.
Yes, you
एक
please
मतलब-
work on it, right? And it's not okay. It's okay, Ramin. Even if you don't know one formula, that's still okay. You know you have so many sources. You don't need to wait for a complete course for this. वो आप पढ़ते रहना अपने roadmap में डाल लो. But whenever you need one formula or to understand one formula, you can also access sources. There are very good math sources that can help you. ठीक है ना? अच्छे authentic sources, right? तो
Yes, ma'am, बस पता नहीं था ना कि ये चीज नहीं आती, अब जरा
it's
माइंड में
okay,
आ
it's
गया.
fine. It's just a formula. Just go and look it up anywhere and then see how it can be applied. एक formula देख लो, check one example of how it is used, and then you're good to go. ठीक है?
Yes, ma'am.
लेकिन I was suggesting the roadmap for the long term. ठीक है ना? Roadmap वाला काम जो है वो that's good for you to strengthen you as a student, so that you can achieve what your goals as a physics student, right? So therefore, उसके लिए you need to update your roadmap and take the course, whatever it is. But whenever you get stuck at one formula, you can always look up that formula and then see. You just need to see the formula, see one example how that formula is used, and then use it to solve the problem, whatever you solve. Okay, that's for the short term. But for the long term, you of course update your roadmap. ठीक है ना? So that you strengthen yourself as a student and you have all the tools that you need. Is that clear?
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है? Okay, so I think I'll stop it here today, and then we'll start with a new topic next time. Is that clear?
Okay,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay, good. So today we are missing Shrichil. I hope he's fine. I'm in fact concerned because I've not heard from him since I think 1 week now. So I hope he's doing well, because the last I heard was that he was ill, and after that I don't know. Are you taking common courses with him? Is someone taking common?
Yes, ma'am, मेरी बात हुई थी उससे एक आध दिन पहले.
So how is
He
he?
was fine.
Is he taking other classes, other courses? Rami?
नहीं मैम, वो उस क्लास में भी नहीं था आया.
नहीं
मैं
आया
उससे
था.
पूछूंगी, शायद तबीयत नहीं ठीक होगी.
Okay, good. Okay, so give him our best wishes, right?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Take care. All the best.
Yes, ma'am. I'm very excited that the next class will be on campus.
Yes, okay. So the new plan for the online classes, I've just posted it on WhatsApp group. Have you seen it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, great. So this is the updated plan that I received today. Maybe it will be communicated to the students as well. And so far, this is the latest. Okay, but keep checking your notifications, because you know things keep changing these days, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Take care.
Allah Hafiz.
Allah Hafiz.
Okay, ma'am. Bye-bye.
Bye.